Okay, friends, so say you went outside to water your plants or something, and when you shut your door, your screen door, when you shut your screen door, the little lock went down and locked you out. Well, I'm just going to show you how to get back in. Hopefully, this works out. So basically, all you need to do is lift up on your door, and if it does have a lift in it like that, you can just lift up and pull backwards. So as you can see, let's see, lock my door here real quick. So as you can see, I'm locked out, and it's not letting me in. Just lift up and pull it backwards like that. So a little trick there you can do, and this is going to work on most of your screen doors. Not all of them. You can adjust them so they don't do that, and that's done with your little screws. You have screws here at the bottom. You can get a Phillips head screwdriver in that hole and adjust the height of your thing, and also at the top of your screen door too. You can put that in there. So thanks for watching this video. Everyone take care. When you do adjust this screw there, there's a wheel up there that'll push down on there and it'll stop it. So I have quite a bit of play up there that people can lift up on. That's enough to clear my locking mechanism. So thanks for watching.